Your hot water tank has a temperature control that you can adjust. Now, when you look at it, the screen, normally when nothing is wrong, the screen is completely blank. So that's a normal operating mode. If you have hot water and no lights, that's good. If you did want to change the temperature, you'll push and hold the blue and the red button together until you see the light come on. Now the light, right now it's at this orange triangle. That's the recommended temperature from the manufacturer. That's a good place to start. Now, depending on your home and your family and lifestyle, you may find that that's not enough hot water. So if you were to push and hold and then increase the temperature up, it would cause the tank to be at a little bit of hotter temperature, and then you'll have more hot to mix with the cold, so you get a little bit more showers and such out of your hot water tank. However, a good place to start is always with the recommended temperature. What you don't want to do is put it too high, because then if someone were to turn on the tank, just turn on hot water by itself, they could get injured. So you want to be, compromised between having enough hot water but not having a dangerous situation.